welcome back to my channel. I am Tasha, and if you're new here, please go and subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you click that notification button, honey, so you guys could get notified. Okay, so bro, let's say today I have a unboxing video for you guys. Okay, and this bag was sold out everywhere in the color that I wanted, and I'm telling you, I love this piece. So I decided to do an unboxing. So let me tell you a story about this bag. I went to Saks, I went to this Prada store. I went everywhere searching for this bag, and this bag is very popular, and it's the re-edition 2005. So when I went to go get this bag, right, they didn't have it in my color that I wanted, because you know me, I'm a girly girl and I really like pink is my favorite color. So I went and searched all over, and guess where I found this bag? I called Soho in Manhattan, and they said they have the bag and it's just a few in stock. So I said, oh my god, I gotta get this right away before everything is sold out, because this is limited edition bag and I have to get it. So I said, you know what, let me just get it right there and done. So hold a second, let me go for this box. Okay, so this is the box, guys. Okay, so anyhow, I'm gonna unbox this bag that you see. I got it in Soho Broadway in Manhattan. Let me hide my address. Okay, as you can see right here, Prada. This is a Prada re-edition bag, and I really love this piece. It also comes in different colors. So let me open this up for you guys. Hold a second. See, this package is closed, so let me get my scissors and open this up. I was saying, like, I'm not gonna get any other color because I really love the pink and it's really nice. I really love the bag, so I decided to say, you know what, let me just get it and done, because I don't want it to be sold out and I didn't get this collection because I really like it. So I said, all right, let me get it. Yeah, do you like my headbands, guys? I really love this. I purchased this from my friend, and she sells this headband for $30. Hit me up if you need it. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay guys, so look at this package. Okay, it has the tissue paper right here, and let me take that out. Okay, so I guess this is the Prada bag in here. Ooh. Drum roll, please. Oh my god, it comes with a bag. Ooh, and you got the Prada in here. The Prada Milano. Okay, so here is my bag, and it has the ribbon right here. So let me open her up. Okay guys, so in the box I got my receipt in here. Okay, this is my receipt, and it's from the Prada let me put that box in. Okay, so let me put this bag down, and this is the box. I really love this box. All right, so let me take this off, put it away. Okay, so let me kindly open her. Look at this baby. Oh my god. Wow. Look at her. Okay? Look at this baby right here. Like, girl. As you see, it comes with a dust bag, and this is my baby right here. All right, so let me show you the straps. This is the Prada re-edition in the pink color. I forgot the name of this color. I will tell you in the description bar. Okay, so inside the bag you got the tissue paper, and you got, you know, the Prada authenticity card. And oh, this is the name of the bag. That name, it's called Begana, and this is the authenticity card. Okay, so it has tissue paper inside. Let me take those out. Oh my god, it has the Prada logo right here. And let me take this off. This right here is like a keychain. You see, it's like a keychain with the Prada signature printed on it. So yeah, it's like a keychain. So I guess you could put your keys on it, and it has the little strap. Okay, so moving on to this part. Okay. Oh my god. Comes with another strap. This is the pouch. I guess you could put your coins or keys or whatever in this. And it also comes with the Prada logo inside, and the Prada strap with Prada printed on it. Okay. Oh my god, I really love this. So let me strap this on the bag. Guys, it's so hot. Oh my god, it's like so freaking hot. This heat. Oh my god, like look at her. Oh my god, look at her. That's my baby. That's my baby. That's my baby. Look at her. Like, she's so cute. Basically, you could wear it with the straps, with this strap, and you could wear it with the crossbody. So girl, this is so cute, and it's in my favorite color. I really love this bag. Oh, let me put this on for y'all. Let me show you. No, this is the right way. Oh no. Hold on. Okay, this way. Okay, see how pretty that is? Like, she is fine. You see that? So pretty. Like, let me come closer so you could see. Okay, so as I told you, this is it. You could wear it with this strap right here, or you could wear it with this, whichever you choose. It's really nice. Really nice. You could store your coins, you could store your phone in here, you know, you could store a decent amount of stuff, you know, your money, you know, keys, whatever you want to store in it, and you know, go about your day. So this is my favorite bag, the Prada re-edition 2005. That's the name of the bag. Okay, lovely. So that's my Prada re-edition bag, and trust me, what I will rate this bag, I will rate it like, because it's my favorite color, I'm gonna get a 10 out of 10. Like, I really love it, and it's style, this style, I really like this style. It's very cute. Yes, the Prada re-edition. Love it. I love her. I also got another bag. I don't know if it's the same color, but it's from Givenchy. I showed you guys in my other videos before, but this color reminds me of it, but I think this is a little bit, you know, darker. So let me find her. Okay, this is her right here. Let me open her up. She is also pink. So, oh, she's different though. She's a different type of pink from this baby right here. See, my two favorites, pink, call me pink. It's the Barbie vibes, okay? Literally Barbie vibes. So these are my two pink bags, but she's lighter and she's darker. So yeah. So that's it, guys. So if you like my videos, please comment, like, and share. And thank you for supporting me. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please do. And I'll catch you in my next one. Bye, lovelies.